During the first driving lesson, we always progress at the student's pace, and if, for example, you don't have any prior experience with cars or traffic in general, we'll focus on going through just the basics. Usually the lesson starts with getting familiar with the car and its functions. The driving instructor will help you find the perfect driving position and go over adjusting mirrors and the steering wheel. You'll also cover shifting gears and pedal operation while the car is stopped. After that, the driving instructor explains how to start and turn off the car. You'll practice it in a calm place, like an empty parking lot. Once starting the car becomes smooth, you'll drive slowly in the lots and practice short stretches, including stopping. Typically, during the first lesson, you'll be driving in first gear only. If starting the car and driving forward goes well, you might try reversing and U-turns in the lots. All in all, there's no need to stress about the first driving lesson. The instructor ensures that you progress calmly and you don't have to worry about knowing anything in advance. You can always tell the instructor how you're feeling and they'll consider that when planning the lesson. Share in the comments what topic you'd like the next video to cover.